To partition the disk, I'm going to right click here, go to disk management here, we click on our disk management. Select the disk in which you want to partition. Click here and to shrink volume, click on it. Wait until the machine calculates the available space to shrink. So you see a new pop-up window like this. This is the total size before the shrink. So my hard drive is 232 GB. This is the size that's available to shrink, and this is the place where I want to reduce the shrink. So I'm going to choose 200, 2000, 2 GB of the space. I click here, shrink. I wait until this is done. When your shrink will be done, it will be like this. So if you want to see the space there, you have to go. Guys, make sure that your tab, your windows should be like this. So guys, this is the space I have shrink. So guys, we have come to the end